Good morning from beautiful Belize. At Coleman's radiator service in San Ignacio. Irie vibration right here. You got the instant going, bro. This is his pit. He's located off of Joseph Andrews Drive. In this direction, you have the Santa Elena Bridge coming from Lomalos Boulevard, George Price Highway, and any other connecting streets in Santa Elena. From this direction, you're coming from San Ignacio, and you make a right-hand turn off the road. Landmark, tons of coconut, flowers, and Coleman radiator service in San Ignacio. So from this direction, you'll be taking a left off the freeway, okay? He's about, let's say, a 5-minute drive from downtown area. You take the Branch Mount Road and it comes out right down there, and then you just make a left hand turn and then you come on in. Tell them Rootswork by Empower by Rootsworks sent you, or Rootswork Construction sent you. Landmark in this direction is a cemetery and Big H Orange Juice Factory. So the place is known, or the owner is Dave Smith, or Gumdrop Stallion. Reference Stallion or Dave Smith. This is the location where he's at. Mr. Coleman radiator service in San Ignacio, Cayo District, Belize, Central America. So what's the years experience you have doing this?
14 years old.
14? So you're looking at like what, roughly 12, 15 years?
Yes.
Experience. Alright. So from 8 a.m. service is available till, the man said if you have an emergency you can check him out and he will work into the hour to get your needs taken care of. Even before 8 a.m. as well. Just contact him. It's pretty impressive with the incense, man.